Alright, so I'm sitting here looking at this mess, and I'm thinking to myself, I gotta fix it, right? And I've been wanting to hide all these plugs a little better. It occurs to me that I have another 3-inch riser for my tank. It's still hanging on somehow. Anyways, I'm gonna use that 1 inch on the back, and I got another 3-inch riser. I'll just throw that up front and reroute these wires. Since I gotta fix them anyway, I might as well get them the way I want them. Let's get the tank off. Alright, tank's off. Plan here is to get this guy up on top of the frame, like so. It means I'm gonna have to reroute all of this shit around however the fuck I figure out how to do it. I'm gonna take what I got extra here and just kind of cut out the wire and add it in up here to extend this, and then I can have all my plugs under my tank. No, it's probably not the best way to do it. I don't know if other people do it like that. That's how I'm gonna do it. Whatever, don't care, it'll work. So here we go. Here we got one connection made up. I know it looks like shit. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave it looking like this. You get all cleaned up, looking nice, stuffed under the tank. Took me about 20 minutes or so because I'm a clumsy fuck. And now I'm gonna get started on the next one. Fuck's sake. Alright, I got a little ahead of myself. Forgot to stop for an update. Once I got that second connection put together, I got excited and kept going. But here she is with a lift on her. And I hid most of the wiring up under that tank there. So I like the height of the tank. My problem now that I'm having is that my handlebars don't really sit up high enough. Well, not where I like for the well, there goes my light. I don't like it sitting right level with the tank. I kind of wanted it up higher. So I'm thinking I might have to do something different. Maybe some T-bars. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Either that or just some taller risers. Those are 6. So I don't know. We'll see what happens there. I'll kind of look around and see what I like. A little makeshift wire harness here. That's good enough. Yeah, I'm not completely done though. I gotta, reroute these wires here so that they, clean it up a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it. I'll probably just simple like that, whatever. And now my battery's dying. Shit, can't even finish this video. But yeah, I gotta finish wiring up this blinker because it also came apart. But and I gotta get my leads to my coil here extended because they ended up shorter from me, hiding everything up under there. But yeah, other than that, I still think she's a beautiful beast. Alright, peace. I don't want a pickle.